kids with the bumped up kids, you better run, now run my gun. All the other kids with the bumped up kids, you better run, faster than my bus. All the other kids with the bumped up kids, you better run, now run my gun.
Okay, so hey, we just got into our cabin. We're in bunk beds right now. My sister is on the top bunk, I'm in the bottom bunk, and we're getting ready for bed, and they won't stop talking over me, so I'm just gonna have to film this. Oh my. And then my best friend is on the top. This is like our families are best friends, so we're doing a nice getaway weekend together, and oh my lord, be quiet.
What? I have something to say.
Behind the scenes.
I'll tell you when. Now.
Alright guys, this is the first day of Kanye Lake. There's no Wi-Fi here. Did someone crash? There's already people dying. Ow! Oh my god! Bats! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Soldier boy, I've been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? Then Superman now. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I've been.
Okay, so hey guys, it's around 10:30. We are going to go on a boat and have lunch on the boat, and then we're going to go fishing for a while. We might jump into the water. We're already in our bathing suits. We just have clothes over, and everyone is like behind me, so I'm trying to talk loud because everyone is packing our lunches and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna try to record on the boat. I don't know how much I'll be able to get on there, but yeah. Oh, we're leaving. See you in a little. Okay, so hey, we are now getting ready to go on the boat. We're all just taking a potty break because we're gonna. Everyone's talking. Okay, so we're just taking a potty break right before we get on because we're gonna be on the boat for about 4 hours. Is the porta potties? Yes, I am vlogging. So yeah. Huh?
Shout out to my boy Dwayne and his hot water showers.
do the. So, yeah.
Porta potties are pretty clean over here.
Yeah, they are pretty clean. I'm excited. And the water looks so blue. Like, it looks so pretty.
Water looks so blue. That means all the sharks.
Caleb, are you sure that thing is closed?
Oh.
Why'd you grab my thigh?
Because it like slowed down, so I got freaked out.
Can't wait to swim again.
Yeah, me too.
You okay?
Okay. Ready, cheese. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I would go in, but it's cold.
Go, Kirsten.
I turned into a dolphin.
Kirsten,
I can't move it, it's like that.
Kirsten, are you a majestic human being?
I feel like a dog.
So we swam for a while in the lake, and then we fished, and now we're moving to get a better place for fishing, and this boat is very wobbly. Now, I don't know, you sandwiched it to me. Oh, now I'm getting splashed. And then we also ate lunch. I had a gluten-free sandwich. Yeah, the bread's still there. I ate most of the vegetables. Everyone behind us, you know, there's a little Titanic moment, and yeah. Okay, so hello. Yeah, my hair is a little messy. So I think the last time I vlogged was when we were on the boat, I'm pretty sure. So since then we have we swam in the lake and stuff, and then we came home and well to the place we're staying, the cabin we're staying in, and we swam in the lake right next to our house, to our cabin. and we're gonna go. They're fishing right now, and I'm gonna go and meet up with them. And I also showered because I was done swimming for the day. So yeah, I think that was all that you've missed out on. Yeah, I think that's it. Check in with you later.